In a small village, a butcher named William lived with 4 creatures: a rat, a pigeon, a rooster, and a goat. Each had their own place in the household, but none paid much attention to the others. One day, William's wife complained about a rat causing trouble in the house. Frustrated, she decided to get a mouse trap. When the rat overheard this, he knew he was in danger. He hurried to the pigeon and pleaded, "My friend, I'm in big trouble. They're setting a trap for me. Please help me." The pigeon flapped its wings indifferently. "I'm a bird. What do I have to do with a mousetrap?" Disheartened, the rat ran to the rooster. "Please, you must help me." The rooster puffed out his chest. "They love me here. I have no worries." Desperate, the rat turned to the goat, but the goat only laughed. "A mousetrap? That's your problem, not mine." That night, the trap snapped shut with a loud click. William's wife went to check, but instead of the rat, a poisonous snake was caught. The startled snake bit her, making her gravely ill. Panicked, William rushed to the village doctor, who advised him to make pigeon soup for her recovery. So the pigeon was caught and cooked. The rat watched silently, thinking, "You said it wasn't your problem, but now look what's happened." After drinking the soup, William's wife began to recover. Soon, her relatives arrived to visit and suggested a feast to celebrate. So William slaughtered the rooster for the meal. Again, the rat watched, thinking, "You said it wasn't your problem, but now it's your turn." As news of her recovery spread, more villagers came to see her. To host the gathering, William decided to prepare a grand meal. This time, he slaughtered the goat. As the goat was being prepared, the rat sighed, realizing that in the end, everyone was affected. He understood a powerful truth. When someone is in trouble, it eventually reaches us all. Moral of the story: never say, "It's not my problem." We are all connected, and when we ignore others' struggles, we may find ourselves suffering in unexpected ways. Think about a workplace. If a colleague is overwhelmed and no one helps, the burden grows until the entire team suffers. In a family, if one member struggles and everyone turns a blind eye, resentment and division follow. Even in society, problems like poverty, injustice, or environmental damage may not seem to affect us immediately, but over time, they shape the world we all share. If you believe that small acts of kindness can create a big impact, comment "I am kind" and share this story with your friends. Stay blessed.